Go in a room, sit silently, grab a beer and like chill. We'll definitely get some ideas with it. So day by day, these models have a larger context window and these are getting upgraded. The budget was quite tight, I would say. So I just put it.
Hey everyone, I'm Shreyansh. I made this video together with Sabahit and our team. If you have not watched the video, I would really recommend to go and watch it first. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own brand video using AI, even if you are working solo or you are a big team, and do it without any manual production work. The first step is the script, and this part is really important. Like before using any AI tools, you just have to sit with the brand and then understand what they want to communicate, right? So just sit with the brand, ask them what is the product they're really solving for, who are we speaking to, and most importantly, how should the viewer feel after watching the video. Once you have that clarity, take some time to watch a few brand films like big brands, SaaS brands, tech ads, whatever is relevant. Just not to copy them, but to get a sense of pace, tone, and storytelling. Just observe how they start, where the emotional shift happens, and how they end. Then just pause and think. Close everything, no distractions, nothing. Visualize how this brand should feel. Is it calm? Is it energetic? Is it premium? Or is it youthful? Right. Sometimes it happens that you don't get that much of ideas, unique and creative ideas, that you just can't think of it. So the best way to do it is like go in a room, chill, relax, grab a can of beer and like think some ideas out of your mind, right? So this is the main point, that in your script, the hook should be very clear. Then the problem should be very clear. Then the solution should be very clear. Then the transformation of the solution should be very clear. Then how are you calling the CTA? Like how is the audience you are talking about are engaging with the video? The CTA also should be very clear. So once all this is sorted and when you have your script out, so this is a script for Mail Modo, right? Brand video we made for Mail Modo. So once that everything is sorted, this is the basic structure of the script, like how I want my story to begin and end with, and what are the basic like transitions in between. Like, because if it sounds smooth when spoken, it will sound smooth in the final video also. If it feels heavy or robotic, just simplify the sentences. Once the narration feels natural, that means the script is ready, and that's our foundation. If this part is done well, everything after this becomes easier. Like, trust me, we legit took 3-4 days to just finalize the script, right? If the scripting part is done, then video creation is just a process of 1 day. That is all I want to say about. Now, the next part is breaking the script into multiple scenes, because VO3 cannot generate a full-length video of the entire script. So breaking it into multiple scenes is the next part. So once you have your script ready, the bare minimum thing is to go to any of the AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever you use. Just copy paste the entire script, right? Go to ChatGPT, paste the script, ask it, break this script into scenes of 8 seconds that I can give it to VO3 for scene by scene creation of the video. This is the scene which I get from the script, but if I give it to a VO3, if I give it to like my custom GPT for JSON prompting, obviously it cannot make context out of it, right? These are particular scenes that I have divided it into scene 1, then scene 2, then scene 3. It goes till, I guess, like 11, 12, 13. Yeah, 13 scenes. Now, the next thing we do is like feed these scenes into a custom GPT I made. What this custom GPT does is that it, out of each and every scene, it writes JSON prompts for it. Like, there's a difference between natural language prompt that we write normally in plain English and JSON prompts, right? So I'll show you an example like how I create those JSON prompts out of my custom GPT. Let's say I'll copy this scene from here, right? I'll go to my custom GPT. Yeah, I'll just paste it over here and enter. It is structured JSON prompt. It includes description, style, camera, right? Description, style, camera, lighting, room, elements, motion, ending, text, keywords, each and everything you can imagine of. the better you give the context to an AI model to generate videos or generate text, whatever it is, the better it can, give the output. This is the basic thing. Now, for each and every scene like I've written here, I just generated JSON prompts for it. In the next step, I will feed those JSON prompts to VO3 to generate videos out of it. Right. Now that we have all our JSON prompts from the custom GPT, we can just directly copy paste those prompts. Right. We move it into VO3 to actually generate the video shots. All we do is like take one JSON prompt at a time, paste it into VO3, right, and hit generate. Yeah, obviously I can choose the model from here. My video is landscape only. Outputs per prompt, it depends. Like max you can go here is still 4, because right now I've chosen it 2, because out of 2 clips you can choose one, like which is better, which is not. 4 is not that feasible for credits, as well as like it will confuse you only, right? The model I'm using is VO 3.1 quality, because VO 2 is like no audio model, it cannot generate audio. But if you want to include a particular image or a particular logo in your video, you can just feed it over here, right? You can add it through frames to video, ingredients to video, but there's a blocker that it can generate it through VO2 only, so there's no audio in that, right? So the basic and the most important thing that people are confused about is how to get that character consistency in VO3. There are 2-3 hacks of it. As you can see, for each and everything, the appearance of Jamie is almost same. Yeah, there is a slight difference, but it's almost same, right? So there are 2-3 aspects of it. You just describe the man in each and every prompt. Let's say in this prompt, it's described as American man in his mid-30s named Jamie Pure. You can see, right, how well it is described. That you have to do for each and every prompt. This is the basic step you can do. Else, what you can do is you can just click here on add to scene button. When you click on add to scene, it will automatically try to generate the same appearance of the man. But yeah, for a safer side, we just describe the appearance again, and it will just extend to that scene only to create a full movie out of it, right? The third thing you can try it out is, like, instead of text to video here, you can just go to ingredients to video, and you can add the image like you want to generate. You can add the image of the man if you have a particular image of the man in mind, or if you have some a real human you want to generate, or like if you have that image, you can just drag and upload it here, and it will automatically generate same man everywhere, same person everywhere. But yeah, there's a blocker in that you cannot generate audio from VO2. Audio is supportable in VO 3.1 only. Right. So these are the basic things that people are confused about, that how you can create that character consistency. So the first thing, I'll just summarize it. The first thing is to make sure that the character of the man or the person is like defined in each and every prompt. Next, just click on this add to scene button, right? Or third thing, if you have a particular image of the person, you can just upload it here and ask it to generate from the same. Now we move into 11 labs to create the voiceover. If you want a specific voice of yourself, you can just train it from the tools which 11 labs provide. But there are like basic templates or a large variety of voices I can use. So for this video, I'm using Alexandra, right? So like there are some aspects of the tone and everything. Let's say I'll take it with an example. I'll write the sentence. This is Jamie. I'll just generate the speech.
This is Jamie.
Like you've heard it, right? What if I'll put Jamie in inverted commas? I'll again generate it.
This is Jamie.
Have you observed the difference? Like it exaggerated a bit. This is Jamie, right? What if I'll put an exclamation mark over here?
This is Jamie.
You can see the exaggeration is more, right? So there are some aspects of like creating voice on 11 labs. Now these are the basic things I can change: the stability, similarity, style, exaggeration, everything. But the major thing you have to keep in mind is don't copy paste the entire voiceover in one go because it will fumble it up. This also has a context window that if we'll go beyond that context window, it will fumble it up. It will not generate audios with proper style exaggeration, proper emotions, and everything. So, what I suggest is to give it sentence by sentence. Like, this is Jamie, then the next sentence, Jamie is an email marketer, the next sentence, Jamie is chilling these days, the next sentence, and it goes on. Don't just feed it in one go, else it will fumble it up. This is the basic thing. Now, once all these voiceovers are generated, you can just download them, and yeah, now we can go to the next step, which is like stitching all these uh stitching all these videos and voiceover together along with the background music. So for background music, I've used two websites as of now. I'll show you those websites. Now that we have the voiceover, we need to bring in the background music because music is what sets the emotional tone for the entire video, right? For this, I usually use artlist.io or Epidemic Music because both have a huge range of cinematic, ambient, minimal, and emotional tracks that work really well for the brand storytelling. In this brand video, also, I have used around 3 to 4 of the music from artlist.io itself. I can generate music, like I can give it the vibe, it can generate music automatically. Or they have a library, like a huge library of music I can choose from. But the point is just a hack. Like, obviously, you can buy the subscription, it's not costly. But yeah, you can do it for free also. You can just download the music. It generally gives a watermark in between. Download it from artlist.io or everything, right? When I download it, it will give me a watermark. Then what I can do, I can just go to AI vocal remover. Yeah, this is the vocal remover. I'll upload my music here and it will automatically remove that watermark from it. Yeah, it's just a basic hack I'm using. I'm not suggesting it to do, but yeah, if you can buy the subscription, then definitely it's not that much costly or something. It's cheap only. Because background music kind of changes the entire vibe of the video. If you change the music, right, the entire storytelling, the entire vibe, the entire voice, or each and everything gets completely flipped. Right. If the video is about clarity and calm, just choose soft and warm piano texture. If the brand tone is like confident and modern, choose subtle electronic or ambient beats. If you want momentum and inspiration, go for light cinematic build-ups. Like the music should support the narration, not overpower it. Also make sure to keep the decibels of the music like low around. If it's very high paced music, keep it around -20 decibels or something. Like also, like now we have the voiceover, the music, the clips. Now the final thing is like to stitch it in any of the editing software. I have used CapCut for now because it's just basic stitching. Like if you have something complex to do like motion graphics or stuff, you can use After Effects. But at the basic tools, Adobe Premiere Pro and CapCut, I've used it. Let's go to the next step. Now I'll bring everything here on CapCut, including the raw video files, the voiceover, the background music, and everything. As you can see, like the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the voiceovers, right? So I'll stitch it and then I'll add some captions over there. Like, yeah, so like these are the basic steps of just stitching, adding some transitions over the video, and the background music, obviously. This is the voiceover, these are the videos, these are the captions I've added. So yeah, if this is done, I'll just export it. And yeah, you're sorted pretty well. This is done with the video. So that's the complete workflow. We started with the script where we start with the brand and understood the message and the emotion we wanted to convey and wrote a narration that sounds natural when spoken. Then we wrote the script into scenes so every idea has a clear visual description. After that, we used the custom GPT to break each scene into visual, like smaller sub-scenes and convert them into VO3 JSON prompts, which gives us clean, focused shots and kept our characters consistent. We took those prompts into VO3, generated all the actual video clips, choosing the version that best matches the tone and consistency. Then we moved to 11 labs to generate the voiceover, make sure it flows smoothly and sounds human. We then selected background music from Artlist or Epidemic to add the emotional layer, just enough to support the narration and not overpower it. And finally, we brought everything to CapCut or Premiere, place the voiceover first, match the visuals to narration, and add music. Kept the edit clean and cinematic. Once you learn this workflow, you can create brand level commercial videos without needing cameras, actors, or a full production team. It's just about following the process step by step. If you have any doubts and you want to ask about anything, drop it in the comment section below and I'll definitely answer those. And thanks for watching. Now go and make something really cinematic. Cool. Bye bye. See you. Tada.